It's our day 2 of our free challenge, How to Heal Your Toxic Relationship with Food for Body with Intention program. So, I hope that yesterday you recognized your secondary benefits and kicked them in the butt, okay? Because today we're going to be working on rewiring your subconscious mind. Now, in many cases, our relationship with food was formed long ago in our childhood. Maybe we learned it from our parents. Maybe we had some sort of an experience that was very traumatic or very emotional for us. And we just decided that that's how we're going to operate with food, right? Maybe the food was your reward for being a good girl or a good boy, or maybe your parents were very busy and they just only had time for macaroni and cheese, and that was forming a bond with you, and so you felt very close. And now whenever you need that closeness, you are craving macaroni and cheese. Who knows, right? So, but the coolest thing is that we can rewire these things with some affirmations. Now, I personally believe in certain types of affirmations, because if you just sitting there and just say, I am skinny, I'm skinny, I'm skinny, it's not going to work, right? If you do it just with your brain, just pure repetition, I don't care how many times you say it, it's not going to work. Affirmations, the best way to get affirmations are, of course, in a trance state and hypnotic state. If you know how to do self-hypnosis, that's great. If you want to have some help with that, contact me. But there is a rule for creating affirmations that actually can work even not in a trance state. So the first thing is that I'm going to give you 5 affirmations that usually are pretty cool and many people can relate to them. And I want you to work with them through a 3-step process. First step, I would like for you to read those affirmations out loud, not just to yourself, out loud. There's something about saying it out loud. And feel, how does it resonate with you on the scale from 1 to 10, right? And just write down next to each affirmation how it feels to you. We want to look for things that are like about 8 to 10, right? We don't want anything that is below that, because that just doesn't relate to you and it's not going to be sending the right message to your subconscious mind. The second thing, what I want you to do is to strengthen that affirmation. I would like for you to maybe take out some parts, or maybe add some phrases that are important for your particular situation, or make more sense, or that's just the way you talk to yourself or to other people. So do that to those from 8 to 10, right? The ones that you chose in step 1. And see if you can even improve the calibration, right? Is it going to be more maybe 9 or 10 or 11 even, right? So choose the ones, or the one that is really highly calibrating. And then the third step is, of course, use them. Now, how do you use them? There is no one way to do that. You need to, again, listen to your body, listen to your personality, and see what works for you. For example, you can be writing them down every day several times, and that's how you feel that they're really getting into your subconscious mind. You could also pronounce them out loud, I don't know, when you're jogging, and that's what you do. I am blah, 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 and you just keep doing these affirmations. Or maybe you're going to look in the mirror every day and tell yourself with intense feelings those affirmations. Or maybe you're going to write it on your, on your mirror, or maybe in the bathroom. It's a really good time. You're facing a certain wall, right? Several times a day, and you can have your affirmation there. Whatever rocks your boat, okay? Now, I'm going to give you 5 affirmations that really usually work very well with my clients. And again, you go through 3 steps. Affirmation 1, I'm going to read it for you, okay? I like the taste of healthy foods. I just feel it, how this food fills me with all the nutrition, minerals, vitamins, exactly what my body needs, and it helps me shed fat and extra weight easily and comfortably. That's affirmation number 1. By the way, I'm giving you these affirmations in this post so you can download them. Number 2, I'm creating a gorgeous or whatever, sexy, attractive, muscular body that I like more and more every day. Even small changes make me feel super excited because I notice them and they lead to amazing results. Number 3, the weight of insert whatever 110 pounds brings me such happiness. I'm coming to you, happiness. I am running to you. Number 4, I only eat when I'm hungry. I control the amount of food eaten. And, drum rolls, I'm becoming more and more independent from food. Good one, right? Number 5, I enjoy taking care and loving my body. When I eat right, exercise, and lose weight, I respect myself. Pretty cool affirmations. They really highlight different aspects of losing weight and being in shape. So choose whatever works for you. Go through 3 steps. And I want to invite you to my amazing transformational online training that is going to be happening on December 10th for 3 hours, or December 20th, sorry, at 10 o'clock in the morning, Chicago time, for 3 hours. It will be recorded, so if you cannot attend it, it's going to be as powerful for you. Make sure to sign up today or very quickly because you have a special early bird price now, which is lower than a price of one hypnotic session. But this transformational experience is going to have 3 parts. One is a coaching, okay, where you are going to have different strategies, where I'm going to give you some formulas, where we're going to like really consciously dissect your relationship with food and find new strategies. The second part is going to be hypnosis. I'm going to do a hypnotic weight loss protocol, which will help you lose weight, but also we're going to do a hypnotic gastric band that allows for you to really be full much faster and not crave so many large amounts of food. And the third part will be really cool. I have a special guest. She's an expert. She is going to do emotional code technique in order to help you get rid of your number one craving. For example, everybody knows I was craving Nutella. Well, I don't crave it anymore. So it works like this. It doesn't take long time, and it's a very fascinating experience. Again, if you are going to be listening and recording, Helena will be meeting with you separately, so don't worry about it if you miss it. And you're going to have lots of cool bonuses. You're going to get meditation for cleansing and detoxing your body. You're going to get audio self-hypnosis to help you release your toxicity about food, right? You're going to have all of the handouts that we use, so you can use them at home by yourself. You're going to have a cool booklet with recipes for unhealthy cravings and how to find healthy substitutes. So make sure you are in the program. I hope to see you soon. Stay joyful, stay wonderful, stay ravenous without wanting food. Love you all. Mwah.